back to the channel, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Today we are at Palau Waterfall in Hua Hin, Thailand. We're gonna check out, oh my god, all these flies. We're gonna check out some of these beautiful sights here. It's a nice sunny day. It took us about like an hour and a half to drive up here. But Palau Waterfall. Check it out whenever you're in Hua Hin, Thailand next time. It's actually pretty nice. Look at that. Stay tuned, we're gonna have some good footage for you guys. Let's go. So we're just getting our tickets right now. Let me show you guys what we're working with, man. Look at that. Look at all that greenery. This right here is so nice. Come with me. Come with me. We're good? Switch it around. Okay. You don't even have to start the video.
Alright.
Palau Waterfall. Let's go. So as you enter, you have the rest area with food. You can chill out a little bit. And look at all these trees, man. The vegetation actually looks pretty nice. I'm guessing they don't allow cars and bikes to go down here, but you can still walk down. The road is too much for your knees.
Okay. Pausing it.
Let me show you guys a shot of the river real quick, where we'll be. We're gonna have some more footage of the river. Look at that. So beautiful. The water's so clear. I wonder if in the rainy season it covers this entire area here.
I think so. I think so. Look at. There will be 5 levels. This one is level 1.
So this right here is the first level. I guess 100 meters to the next one. And there's 5 levels. We're gonna go to each one and show you guys the rest of them, what they entail. It's a nice resting area to cool off from the heat. You can even see the fish from here.
I want to get that photo with that one.
You can go down here.
You go first. Okay, you're standing there, next right to the side. Over there. Turn your face to me. 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more. 1. What is that?
Some of these are butterflies, but also bees.
Yeah, they said there will be bees and butterflies all over the way. Forget to tell you. Oh, I'm thinking about getting the bug spray for you before we come here, but too bad, I won't get it.
Can we get up from here?
Yeah, we can go that way.
Across the rocks. This way.
Hi. Get the fish? I don't see them. The camera don't see them too. Only your eyes see them.
Alright, so we're gonna cross the water.
Gonna be slippery.
No.
You holding this one, I'm not trusting. Holding this one while I walk. Your phone still new.
Can you do it? If anything,
I can walk on this one. I worry about the phone.
All right, all right. Whenever you get to a nice spot, you stop and then you switch to vertical for some YouTube shorts.
Okay. And the video of this phone is so clear. Let me know where you want to stop to be in the water or something. Holding this and filming your feet when you step on the rock, cross to that side.
Feel my feet.
Roll it down like this. And after you got there, turn back like this, controlling all the rock.
Use some big rocks, guys. Big rocks, but we're gonna cross it right here. Just gotta be careful, find a proper route and not slip. Let's go this way. Sorry, cop. Sorry, cop. Look at all of that.
Keep walking.
Slippery here. Woo. Look at all this fish. Wow.
Look at that waterfall over there. And you move, I will get there. Ooh, look at that. I will follow you. Ah. Okay, turn your face to me. And pointing your right arm to the waterfall, like that. 1, 2, 3. One more. One. Don't move, just move. Stand where you're at. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3. Cool. Yep. Huh? Oh, you want to take a selfie?
Took a break from the vlogging a little bit, so I just went to order some food, got some smoothies, and the food is going to be on its way. So we're just going to sit down, enjoy some of the music. Hopefully it's not copyright, but we're just going to enjoy our time right now and enjoy the view, man. Look at all this water, look at the beautiful side over there in Hua Hin. So this is the floating market. I'm going to show you guys some more footage and photos of the area right now, but we're just taking a break and experiencing this amazing scenery. So got my food here, man. Got the smoothie. I got the chicken on rice with the eggs, some spring rolls, and some chicken nuggets. I'm about to chow down right now. I am super hungry. Thank you guys for making it this far into the video, man. We're gonna have some more footage for you. I'm just gonna eat right now, and then we'll get back into it. All right? Just bought myself here some merch and walk in. What you guys think? Thailand, man.
Look cute. You think I will look good on it? 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1.
It's pretty strong though. Oh, I can't wear this?
No, you fly.
But you're covered though. Oh, I can't go. Yeah? That's where we're walking up.
Yeah. Oi, my leg.
Doing all right?
Finally, we got here. Do this and take a selfie.
There you go.
Mommy. Mommy with the daughter.
Leaving the temple now on our way down. Look at this view, man.
I will be honest with you, on the way up, I didn't focus that much. I don't know if it looked good or not because I was so tired. Okay, I think here will be good. That's it.
Alright guys, we made it inside the temple. I'm speaking soft right now because we just want to have respect for the people, showing reverence to the great Buddha. I'm just going to show you guys some of the decorations and ceremonial stuff they have in the temple. I'm sweating right now, man. Those stairs were no joke. It's beautiful. It's beautiful, man. Leaving the temple now, on our way down. A lot of people coming up, but look at this view, man. Alright, let's go.
I didn't focus that much. I don't know if it looked good or not because I was so tired.